Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notification on the Bumble dating application. So let's get started right away. Now, if the Bumble dating application on your device is not showing up any notifications, then this might be because all notifications are turned off from your device settings. So in order to fix this issue, long press on the Bumble application and tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page for Bumble dating app. Now underneath privacy, tap on notifications, and if you see the toggle turn to the left, then this means that the notifications have been disallowed. So tap on this toggle, and once the toggle turns blue or your theme color, then you will see the various different alerts that you will receive from the app. You can also modify what kind of notifications you would like to see from the notification categories option. And you can also turn this notification off at any time if you prefer to do this in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on notifications on the Bumble dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.